coming in the park. One of Tri-State All-Stars representing SBA. Getting ready to go to the bench. As you can see, he don't come to the park without an SBA bag. That's what ballers do. That's what ballers do. Official SBA bag.
From the New York City Department of Parks, the Chief of Operations, man, please come forward. Representing the Commissioner, please come forward, man. Please come forward. From the New York City Department of Parks.
Tri-State Classic All-Stars right here, warming up. Getting ready to go all for real.
This is the man that made it possible, and this is the man that can make sure that the lights come on.
Warming up. We got him out here. It's gonna be a goodie. It's gonna be a goodie. It's gonna be a goodie. They out here, A-Butter in the house. Got the franchise. Got Mookie. They are out.